Hey guys, hope you guys are having a great day. In this video, I want to talk about how to get started with email list building if you have no subscribers and you're kind of starting basically from scratch. Now you may be wondering why you need an email list, and if you are, I do have a video talking about why you need an email list. You can check it out. I think it's here or wherever the YouTube cards are. You can check it out there. I also have a link that I'll put down in the description of this video for you to check out and check it out. So the first thing you need to do when you want to start an email list is you have to sign up with an email service provider. Now there's lots of great choices like MailChimp, Aweber. My personal favorite is ConvertKit, and I will put my affiliate link down below in this video for you to check out and sign up. Now the next thing you want to do after you create your account with your email service provider and you also create a list inside it, or if you're using ConvertKit, you already have a list that's already built in. The next step is to actually create content that will teach people what you know and encourage people to learn more about you. And the third step after you create your content is within your content, you want to include opportunities for people to sign up for your email list. Now, most people kind of drop the ball on this and they simply post something that says, sign up for my newsletter. And yeah, don't do that. That's not a good enough call to action, because if they have just checked out your blog post or podcast or YouTube video, whatever you're doing, they might not necessarily want to sign up for your email list right on the bat. So what you can do, and this is actually what I do, is you want to give them a reason to sign up for your email list. And one of the best ways to do this is to offer special lead magnets or freebies that essentially give them a piece of value in exchange for their email address. Now there's lots of different tools that you can use to create lead magnets. My personal favorite is to use a tool called Canva. I've talked about it on the channel before, but if you want to check it out, I will put a link down below for Canva so you can check it out and give it for a spin. It's an amazing graphic design tool, and it's something that I highly recommend you use to create your free lead magnets. And as for what kind of lead magnets to create, there are all sorts of options ranging from email courses to ebooks, infographics. I like to use infographics for mine, but you can create any kind of lead magnet that basically what you want to do is add some extra value to your existing content so that people want to give their email address to learn some more extra information. Now the next step, once you've actually created this amazing content with your amazing content upgrade, is it's time to promote your blog post, podcast, YouTube video, whatever you're trying to make. Time to promote it wherever you can. One of the first places you should definitely promote your content is make sure you promote it on Pinterest, because Pinterest is one of the best places to drive long-term consistent traffic. So that's my first place that I recommend you start sharing. Another thing I highly recommend you do if you want to promote your content is make sure you go to your bios and your Instagram and Twitter profiles, and make sure you update your website link to be the link for your latest piece of content. And finally, this is the really awesome thing, is on Facebook, Instagram, Periscope, wherever you can do a live video, do a live video, because that is the best type of content that really engages your audience, that gets people excited. You want to do a live video where you present your content to the world and tell people what it's about and where they can learn more. And finally, my last and special power tip for you if you want to start building your email list super effectively is every time you do this process, meaning you create a piece of content with a content upgrade and you let people know, make sure you email your existing audience so that they can check out your new piece of content, and you just nurture your audience and make them excited for everything that you do. So I hope you guys enjoyed these tips. These are my tips for how to get started with an email list if you basically are starting from scratch and you have no idea what to do. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you like this video, leave a like. Make sure to comment below, because I'd love to hear more tips from you about how to build email lists. And also be sure to subscribe so you don't miss any more of my videos. Oh, and final note, when you subscribe, be sure to hit the bell so that you can make sure that you receive all my videos whenever I post them. Alright guys, those are all my tips. I hope you guys enjoyed them and have an awesome rest of your day.